Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make my super easy recipe for cauliflower soup with cheddar cheese. It's something I love to have on hand during the week for an easy lunch or as a satisfying dinner. Let me show you how to make it. All right guys, here it is. It's the finished quick and easy cauliflower soup. Like I said, I love eating it for lunch and dinner. It's one of my favorite recipes. Thanks so much for watching. Check out more of my videos here and all my recipes on mysweetgreek.com. Bye-bye.